Can you play Roblox on Linux? Yes, here's a complete guide in 1 minute. Start with a 64-bit Linux, up-to-date GPU drivers, and either Steam or Lutris installed. Add 32-bit support, sudo dpkg, add architecture i386. Update and install Wine, Winetricks, and Lutris. Sudo apt update and in sudo apt install wine64, wine32 Winetricks Lutris. Why? Or use Steam. Enable Steam Play and choose Proton Experimental to run Roblox. Use Lutris or Steam to install Roblox. Watch for the installer window and sign in with your Roblox account. Launch Roblox and test a short session to confirm graphics, audio, and controller input. For best performance, enable DXVK or Vulkan in your runner and prefer 64-bit prefixes. If you hit crashes, install DirectX and fonts, Winetricks DXVK core fonts. Boost FPS by using native GPU drivers, disabling compositor, and closing heavy background apps. For stubborn issues, check Lutris and Wine logs, switch Proton versions, or update Wine to the latest build. That's it. Roblox can run on Linux. See the description for full commands and a step-by-step guide.